Hello everyone, today I would like to show you some of the features of this new 102A grinder. So he showed you the touchscreen interface that actually we're still optimizing it, so it's more or less the semi-final version. But anyway, I will show you all the features of this grinder in this video. And so you can see the metaculus next to it. That's I have been playing with in the past few weeks, just like some of you who received it recently. And I will show you how I make use of the metaculus with the grinder as well. Okay, so let's start with the cash cup. Cash cup, this one is a prototype one, using a plastic one. So actually it's just a prototype. It's just for me to see clearly how the grind coffee get in the cash cup. So I wanted to show you is that in order to make, actually the cash cup is the same as the 83A grinder or the or the 88A grinder is the same cash cup. But in order to make the cash cup fit with the 98 or about bird carrier, I need to make an adapter to this grinder. So we have to attach the adapter to this carrier and then put the cash cup. So when we using the 83mm or 80mm per carrier in the 102A grinder, you don't need this adapter. This just for all those big birds. Okay, so that's it. And in the touchscreen interface, you can see there are still many. Let me zoom in so that you can see clearly. Okay. So in the touchscreen, you can see there's a many mode, and later on I will further optimize it by keeping just the conical hybrid mode, while for the fat burn mode, we will simplify it either to a fat running in clockwise direction or running anti-clockwise direction. They will have the same RPM range from 400 to 900 RPM. Because like for 80 or 98mm, they are running anti-clockwise, likely 100mm and also the 102mm also running anti-clockwise, while for fat 83mm they are running in clockwise direction. So simply we will have to fat clockwise mode and fat anti-clockwise mode to make sure all the bird can work in their own direction. And also some of the bird like that's not in our list, like some other kind of 98mm bird, you can simply choose the right mode so to make use of this bird in our grinder. One more thing to mention is about the bird carrier. For 98mm, we will have a specific carrier for school type and another specific for the brand type. So right now we are now only offering brand type bird, but if you have some kind of school type bird in your list, and you can still make use of it with our grinder by using the school type 98mm carrier that's available later on. Okay, so anyway, we will start with this grinder. And also you can see this this is the snow feeder. So if you don't want the snow feeder, just take it out and then use another plate to cover it. Then you can still put it in the bin from the top without the snow feeder. And after we install the snow feeder, you can control the speed of the snow feeder on the touchscreen. We will like divided 5 different speeds for the snow feeder, so you can like the feeding as low as 0.5 gram per second, or even lower, or just as fast as just similar to same as you haven't installed the low feeder. Anyway, we allow using a medium speed of the snow feeder. So when we press the start button, these snow feeders are running, and when we press the finish button, the snow feeder will have stopped automatically, so you don't have to worry whether you have forgot to turn on or off the snow feeder. Okay, so right now I would like to show you how the grinding is done. Simply turn on the screen. Press the finish button and start the cleaning mode. Right now the cleaning mode, you can either turn it off or like controlling the length of cleaning, either normal or even longer, or turn it off. Okay, so the grinding is done. With the tab and all the grind here. Okay, so actually you can see how it's done, and also the changing of the burr is similar to 83A. Take out this first. Just untighten the screw at the bottom. Sometimes you may find the lower carrier come out, but this come out, so I don't have to do any further step. So you can see this is the 100mm burr in it. And you can see just after grinding there's actually no retention. And then I can take out the upper spool. Push. So you can see there's not much retention in it. Okay, so how to put it back is similar to all other 83A. Just push it back and make sure the pin is positioned. Push it back. Tighten the screw. And then push back, tighten the screw, tighten the screw. Okay, so that's it. have the spur changing step same as 83A, just it's a little bit bigger. Okay, and then we can press focus too. Okay, so yeah, the grinder is just like this, and actually similar to 83A or 80A, just supporting even bigger bird with the touchscreen. And we believe the touchscreen is more easier to control everything of the grinder. Yeah. So like other setting as mentioned, you can in the clean mode you can either turn it off, you don't need the clean mode, or even take it longer to make sure all the retention grind coming out into the cache card. Grinding time, when to start the cleaning or stop the grinder after a certain time of grinding, now setting to 60 seconds or as low as 30 or 180. If you are like using the snow feeder, you can choose the setting you like. Okay, brightness or color, I don't think whether I will keep it, but maybe for the silver version, I don't know. Brightness, just the brightness of the screen. Okay, for the mode, as I've mentioned, conical hybrid, clockwise, anti-clockwise for the fat, and then press the start. You will have the feeder running. The feeder you will be able to set the feeder speed. I just have it like in different speed. Okay. Yeah, so simply that's how the 102 work. And I think we still have some minor optimization of this grinder, either in terms of the design details or on the touchscreen interface, but more or less the function will be what I have shown you in this video, and the speed for the fat bird will be from 400 to 900 RPM, and for the support conical grinder, conical bird, and also the hybrid bird, just like an 83A. Yeah. And with the built-in snow feeder, you don't need an external snow feeder anymore with a even more compact size. And if you don't need the feeder, you just take it out and just fit in the pin on the top. Yeah, that's conclude everything of this grinder. And thanks for watching, and if you have any questions regarding the grinder, please feel free to contact me, and I think I can provide you further information. And just see if we will support more bird in the future, but right now I can tell you the maximum or the biggest that this can be supported will be just 102A, 102 millimeters. No, nothing bigger than that can be supported. Okay, and unlikely I will make another bigger one because the size will be even bigger than the meticulous next to it, and the weight will be over 25 kilograms if I have to use an even bigger motor. So anyway, hope this shows you the features and the function, how this works of the 102A grinder. Thank you.